Hi, good day everyone. Here's a continuation of our discussion on the EBM strand. This will build on previous part and dive deeper into specific career paths, skills development, and the impact of EBM on real-world business environments. Career paths and skills development in EBM. Career paths in EBM. First, accountancy and finance rules. If you are inclined toward numbers and financial system, the EBM strand prepares for you careers in accounting, auditing, tax management, and financial analysis. You could work as an accountant, internal auditor, or financial consultant. Business management and leadership. For those interested in leading and managing organizations, the EBM strand sets a foundation for roles such as a business manager, operations manager, or even a CEO. It helps students develop strategic thinking and leadership qualities. Entrepreneurship. EBM is a fantastic choice for aspiring entrepreneurs. It provides you with the knowledge to start your own business, manage operations, plan marketing strategies, and oversee financials. Marketing and sales. With an understanding of business strategies and consumer behavior, EBM students are equipped to pursue careers in marketing, sales, and public relations. They become adept at understanding market needs and developing promotional strategies. Human resources and organizational development. EBM also prepares students for careers in HR management, helping businesses find and manage talent, ensuring productivity, and fostering a positive work culture. Essential skills developed in EBM. First, analytical thinking. In EBM, you'll develop the ability to analyze financial statements, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions. This is vital for solving business problems and making strategic choices. Problem solving. Through case studies and practical tasks, EBM students learn how to approach complex business challenges and devise practical solutions. Leadership and management. EBM teaches you how to manage projects, lead teams, and make decisions under pressure. These leadership skills are essential for any management or entrepreneurial role. Communication skills, whether it's presenting financial reports or leading a team meeting, communication is key. EBM emphasizes effective communication, both written and verbal, to help students convey ideas clearly and confidently. Time management. In the EBM strand, students learn how to manage multiple tasks and deadlines, a crucial skills in business environments where time is money. To wrap up, the EBM strand doesn't just teach technical knowledge, it empowers students with the essential skills and mindset to succeed in a variety of business fields. Whether you plan to work in accounting, management, marketing, or entrepreneurship, ABM provides the foundation to make a meaningful impact in the business world. Thank you for listening. Again, I am Jewel Kilaude. I am studying under Accountancy, Business and Management strands. EBM is not just about numbers and management. It's about shaping the future of business, and I'm eager to be part of it. Thank you.